you are rewriting from standard form to vertex form. It is not that bad. So look, right now I'm the teacher, so I'm writing a bunch. If you want, you can sit. Okay. So we're going to rewrite. So I'll get to here. Right now I'm the teacher. I'm going to write a bunch more. Okay. And I'm going to show you, like, buy into what it is I'm doing. So there's going to be a lot of writing on this, but obviously you as a student, you wouldn't write as much, okay? Okay, so afterwards I'll do the second one. I'm recording those, just make sure. I'll do the second one, and then you guys will see there's a lot less writing, okay? What is it? 151, I'm fine. All right, here we go. All right. A must be 1. Is it A value 1?
Yes.
Yes. Johnny, you got to move over. You don't sit there. Come sit over here. Come here, see. Okay, A is 1. So if A is 1, then perfect. You can move ahead. Now, is it in standard form? That just means, do you have multiple terms that need to combine? You do not. You have it set equal. So these two are checked. You can move forward. Okay? Okay. I'm recording. Shh, recording.
I'm trying to get the
I know, but I heard a curse word and I'm recording.
I cussed?
No. Okay, so now ax squared plus bx plus a space saver is equal to c plus a space saver. Okay, so what does this say? Get your c term to the right side or the other side of the equal sign, but because it's negative and I cross over, it will be positive, and then get your space saver boxes in. Okay, and you'll see why in a second, and that's so that you never mess up leaving them off. Okay, so now what do? You're going to take your b value, divide it by 2, and square it. Okay, so this you guys are good at. This is my b value, right? A is 1. B is -2, C is -15. So my B value is -2 divided by 2 squared. Keep going? Yeah? Okay. So then what's -2 divided by 2? 1, -1, and what is -1 squared? What's -1 squared? 1. Okay, so, sorry if I didn't hear you, sorry. Okay, so this is the box number. This is the number that goes in these 2 space savers. That's it. Okay, now what do? You're going to factor the left, and you're going to combine like terms on, wow, that was an ugly L. You're going to combine like terms on the right. Okay, I'm going to solve it like we really would factor with what's our C value and B value, but then I'll show you the shortcut with the yellow. I'll show you the yellow. Okay, over here, let me just look at this. X squared minus 2x plus 1. You guys just did the diamond method here. So this is for you guys to buy in. What 2 numbers multiply to 1 but add up or subtract to -2? The only way I get 1 as a product is 1 times 1, right? Okay, so how do I get -2? What are the 2 numbers then?
-1, -1.
Perfect, -1, -1. And so notice they perfectly match because we're completing the square. They're supposed to match. So you guys would get x minus 1 if you were to factor it. But isn't that the same as x minus 1 squared? Yeah? Okay, so if you guys buy into this, then you should buy into this yellow movement. Okay? So here's what I'm going. You don't have to do this. I'm just trying to get you guys to agree with me. So look, if I'm going to factor the left, x squared minus 2x plus 1, I know it's x minus 1 squared. But if I follow the shortcut, x whatever this number is before you square it to put it in, that's the number that gets put here. And notice it matches. So you don't have to do this work. You can if you like, but if you buy in and you realize that taking that b value, dividing it by 2 and squaring it, when you divide by 2, that number is your quantity squared. That's your perfect square. And then here, this number squared 1, that's what you add to the 2 boxes. Okay.
And it's going to be like that every time?
All the time. Okay, so now equal, and then you combine like terms. So what is 15 plus 1, right? 15 plus 1, what is that? 16. And now you're one step away. Now, if I want it in vertex form, remember, I want y equal a x minus h squared plus k. I want that constant on the same side as a quantity squared. So it becomes x minus 1 squared minus 16 because, right, I take it over, so I inverse operate. And this is you rewriting it in vertex form. It's just technically, instead of the 0, because we're not solving, you would put the y instead of. And it's not bad, you guys. Next test, so this test, you guys just have to rewrite it to vertex form. This test, I want you guys to see the full circle. You guys, we gave you an expanded quadratic, we made you factor it. Then we gave you factoring, and we told you to FOIL or expand, and we gave it to you in standard form. So you guys should start seeing the loop of the rewritten, right? So now we give you vertex form. When you clean it up, you get standard form. You can complete the square and go right back to vertex form. That's all you're doing. And so this Friday, you're going to take a quiz. It's going to be 4 of you guys, and you guys are going to have to do all of this because I want that light bulb to go off that all of this is just related. You're just going from one cleaned up version to an expanded version, or you're going from an expanded to the factoring version. That's it, okay? Yeah. Can I turn it off?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, let me see. She's still copying. Yeah. Okay, yeah, because I'll upload it still though.
On Canvas, right? Miss King, it's up on Canvas?
I will. It's just right now I'm still recording.